Have you ever seen these YouTube Playables and wondered, what are they? Well, I always have, and the cool thing about them is they're games that you can play right away without having to download, and I'm going to show off my skills on Ice Cream Inc. today. So anyone out there who owns an ice cream store that has soft serve, you want to tune in and maybe hire me because I got some sick skills. Let's check it out. All right, so we're going to try to match this ice cream cone here. It's looking pretty complicated. We got chocolate, we got mango, and we got pistachio at the top. And there's the layers going on here. So let's see if we can do it. I'm pressing on my 1, 2, 3s on my keypad. This is how you control the game. So let's try to get it going here. We're going to do 2 loops of the chocolate, 2 loops of the mango, back to 2 loops of the chocolate. Look at these skills here. And then we're going to top it off with some pistachio. I got 3 stars. We're on level 18 because that's how high of a level I am on pouring that ice cream. Pouring the ice cream? How does soft serve work? Do you pour soft serve? And yeah, we're going to decorate it because I've got high-level customer service. Was it absolutely perfect to the picture? Doesn't matter because we decorated it because we go above and beyond for the customers. We make the customers happy. So this one, we've got, what is that, like 4, maybe 5 layers of the purple, which is blackberry. And then we're topping it off with mint. Mint and blackberry. Kind of an interesting combo. Fruity and mint, I'm not sure goes together, but I'm going to give the customer what they want. I might mention to them, hey, this is going to be an interesting flavor combo. Have you ever had this before? Do you like it, or are you just going for it? You got to engage the customer when you're at when you're manning the counters. This isn't just some froyo place where you're going to fill up the bucket on your own. No, I'm here to help you out, figure out the flavor path we're on together. Look at how close I am to that mystery cone. I'm about ready to get it. We got 3 stars again. I'm on level 20, and yeah, we're gonna decorate it. Give me that strawberry. Where's the cherry? Okay, level 20. Now you see we've got 2 lines of the pistachio. Then it's a big tower of chocolate. There's probably nearly 7 lines there, and then 3 of the mint. This is another pretty nice combo. I would probably do this combo: pistachio, chocolate, and mint. Not bad. All right, so we got 2 lines there. We're going to switch to the chocolate. I could be a little smoother on the transitions. I'm going to be honest. This is the scary one because you're just sitting here. You're waiting for it. You're waiting for it. When are we going to hit them with the mint? Right now. Just right at the top. You see that skill level? I'm just saying, if you own a soft serve place, I'm your guy. Now, we're not done yet. We're going to go to level 21. Then we're going to claim some prizes. Yes, I'm claiming my strawberry mystery cone. And then, yeah, we're going to decorate. Bam. So we're at almost 5,000 coins. I'm going to get this one, and then we're going to unlock some treasure chests together. Okay, so this is, we got the new mug, first off. We got 2 layers of the pistachio, and then it's chocolate all the way up. So this is a pretty easy one, but the easy is a little deceiving, okay? You got to know when to transition. You don't want to mess this up. We're trying to make the customers happy. It's all about customer service. And then we just wait it out. I got that key. We got 3 stars. Level 21 confetti, baby. Working towards that next mystery cone. And yes, if you give me that option to decorate, I'm going to throw that little cookie straw in there. I'm going to put some sprinkles on. Okay, let's go claim some prizes, and then we're going to log off for today. What game should we play tomorrow? There's all these games on the side. I've never clicked into them before. We've got Sculpt People. I'm not... I'm more of a photographer, not a sculptor. I used to do some pottery back in the day, though. We got this pig game, Color Match. I bet I'd be good at Color Match. Decor Life. I'm not much of an interior designer, but willing to give it a try. Lunchbox Ready. Well, I'm already killing it at Ice Cream Inc., so we could try some other food type games. Coffee Stack would probably be the next logical choice considering how good I am at ice cream soft serve. But hey, if you own an ice cream soft serve place, please shoot me a DM and maybe we can get me in there to, help your customers out on their flavor journeys. Okay, so we got 3 keys. I like to go tic-tac-toe style. I want to get that 3 in a row, so I'm going to go this corner. Now you're like, oh, John, 3 in a row. Why wouldn't you go boom, boom, boom? Well, I want to get that 3 in a row where I trap you in, so I always go for those corners. Now, we didn't do so great. We got 350 there. Fast math for you. But we're over 5K coins now. Look at it. Just banking on that money. If y'all think these YouTube Playables are cool, tune back in, because guess what? 2026 is year of video on LinkedIn. We're going to make video live streams or whatever this is, video game uploads a thing on LinkedIn. Yeah, it's going to break through. Anyways, follow me for more shenanigans like this. And if you want the real deal on YouTube strategy, well, you got to get into my DMs for that, because it's not going to happen on these videos. We're just going to play games.